Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing my DIY hemp seed oil, avocado and banana deep conditioner. As you can see, these are the ingredients I'll be using for my deep conditioner. I'll be using 1 overripe banana, 1 avocado, 5 tablespoons of hemp seed oil and 5 drops of lavender oil. You can check the description area for more detailed info. I'm mashing my ingredients together with the fur before putting them into the blender. After blending my ingredients, I'll be applying a generous amount to my washed hair. My hair is clean already. Hemp seed oil contains a lot of beneficial properties for the hair and scalp. It is a moisturizing oil that hydrates the hair, rebuilds damaged hair, softens the hair. This oil contains essential fatty acids such as omega-3 and omega-6, which encourage hair growth. Avocado is a great natural ingredient for the hair. It contains lots of minerals and vitamins that offer benefits to our hair. Avocado helps restore dry and damaged hair. It is also rich in omega-3, which helps the hair retain moisture. Banana is a fruit that contains a lot of beneficial properties that help improve the health of our hair. Banana helps moisturize the hair and the scalp. It is a very good ingredient for our hair. It restores damaged hair, softens the hair and encourages hair growth. If your hair is damaged, colored and lifeless, this mask is for you. Lavender oil is a very good essential oil which nourishes the hair and scalp. It helps with hair growth and retention.
My childhood on old tapes from the past.
After evenly applying the mask to my strands, I'm going to cover my hair in a plastic bag and shower cup.
We were playing as soldiers, making swords out of pens.
And let it sit for 30 minutes.
Things were better back then.
Now it's time to rinse out the mask. Note that this mask can also be used as a pre-poo treatment.
There were no moon, there were no monsters. Still I'm chasing balloons.
After rinsing out my hair mask, I'm going to apply a leave-in conditioner to my hair.
We were living in castles as two space astronauts. It was us again. against dragons, and together we fought. We were hunting.
I'll be applying hemp seed oil to my hair too, with a few drops of lavender oil to lock in the moisture. Hemp seed oil always keeps the hair and scalp healthy.
There were no monsters, there were no moon, there were no monsters, still I'm chasing balloons.
Now I'll be putting my hair in a protective style.
Still I'm chasing balloons. To be closer, things were better back then. There were.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much. So now my hair is in a protective style. I did the African thread, because I will be styling my hair later. So this is a safe way of stretching the hair. Please, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and remember to turn on your post notification so that you can be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Thank you.